Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have something pretty exciting. Well, I'm excited. And a new mod on my EVO 9 MR. Today I'm pretty much gonna install a brand new shift knob from, guess who it is? Racing. So I didn't really know this company that much until I bought my STI. Pretty much the previous owner of the STI had this weighted shift knob that he added onto the car, and I pretty much fell in love with that shift knob. I fell in love, and looking at what it was, seeing how expensive it was, I really hope that it was worth it. So today I'm gonna try it out on my EVO 9. So I bought a brand new one. I never really liked the EVO 9 shift knob. It is the OEM, it's like the aluminum weighted one. I've always wanted to change it, I just didn't know what shift knob to change it to. So I'm hoping this Racing can make up for it. And I'm just gonna show you guys how to install it and pretty much what it is. So let's check it out. So I just opened it, and first thing that happens when you open this box, this packaging better be really nice. This one costed me, I think, close to like 100. It doesn't show, but cost me like probably like around $160. Comes with the Racing story. I'll read that on my own time. There's a download code for the installation guide. What? Probably tried that out. And what everyone didn't really know before you install the shift knob, there's actually this adjuster right here that you got to put on here before you put the shift knob on. And let's check it out. Let's see which one I got. At least it's packaged nicely. Only right? So this is what I got. If it could even focus. It's like a chrome black, and it's pretty heavy. I'm not even gonna lie, it's pretty heavy, but it's really nice. And today, just the difference of next to it. It already looks a lot nicer. So let's try. I'll be right back once I install this. So how to install this shift knob? I'm just gonna pretty much spin this out. That's it. Yay! How hard is that? And I just gotta put this one on now. To put this on, you're pretty much just gonna put this one first. And then put this on. Man, I really gotta clean this. It's pretty dirty. Okay. So I gotta adjust it, but it's not fully in the middle. As you can tell right here, it's not too much in the middle, but for now it'll do. The thing that sucks is because you have to make it like really tightened, right? But me, if I really tighten it, it's like that. It's not even straight. So you pretty much have to remove it, plug and play. But that's pretty much it. It's a brand new mod. It's not even a cheap mod, and it's crazy. It's just a shift knob, and I'm paying this much for it. But I like it, and I'm sure it's gonna make my driving experience a lot better. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is kind of short. I'm sorry that it's pretty short. I was just very excited to install this video as well as show you guys. It is, you know, probably my go-to shift knobs for any cars from at this point. I always loved the weighted shift knobs. I never liked those, you know, just the light ones, because I just felt like shifting would be a lot harder. And this one just makes shifting a lot smoother, a lot better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Marky Mark. If you guys haven't followed already, my 2 Instagrams are gonna be down here. One's going to be A Marky Mark and the other is going to be X WSB builds. I'm sure you guys are going to be following this a lot more. It's pretty much my car content, all the pictures that I'm going to be taking of my STI and my Evo. So I hope you guys do enjoy that, and if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. I am still new, but I'm trying to get used to it as well as providing great content for you guys. But a little appreciation and support will really help me down the line. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So peace.